In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private group in Slack. If you're new to Slack or simply looking to streamline your team communications in a private setting, you're in the right place. Slack is a fantastic tool for fostering collaboration, and creating private groups is an excellent way to keep discussions focused and exclusive to selected members. Now, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. If you need to, take a moment to get this set up before continuing. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. This is where your channels and direct messages are neatly organized. To create a new private group, head to the top of this sidebar. You'll see a plus sign next to Channels. Go ahead and click on it. This action initiates the creation of a new channel. Now you have the option to create either a public or private channel. Since our goal today is a private group, make sure you select Private. This setting ensures that only invited members can view or join the conversation. It's vital for maintaining confidentiality and focused discussions. After selecting Private, type in a name for your group in the channel name field. A clear and concise name will make it easier for your colleagues to understand the purpose of the group at a glance. Next, think about adding a short description. While this step is optional, it's often helpful in clarifying the group's intended purpose and scope. An informative description can serve as a reminder for members about the group's objectives, especially if they're part of multiple teams or projects. Once your name and description are set, click on the Create button. Your private group isn't complete just yet. You'll need to invite members. Slack will automatically prompt you to add colleagues to your new private group. You can do this by typing their names and selecting them from the drop-down menu. Remember, only the people you invite will have access to the discussions here, maintaining the privacy of your communication. After inviting the necessary members, you'll soon notice your new private group listed in the sidebar under Channels. You can start sending messages, sharing files, and even integrating apps within this secure space. This allows you to collaborate efficiently, ensuring that important information remains within the intended audience. And there you have it. Creating private groups in Slack is a simple yet powerful way to manage your team communications securely. It helps maintain focus and privacy, ensuring that your discussions are seen only by those who need to be involved. As you continue using Slack, you'll find these private groups invaluable for organizing your professional conversations. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to helping you with more Slack tips in the future.